This is the Graco 4ever dlx 4-in-1 infant to toddler car seat, good from 4 pounds to 120 pounds. Today we'll be installing it in a 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Let's get started.
The 4-in-1 car seat gives you 10 years of use, seamlessly transforming from rear-facing to forward-facing harness car seat, to high back belt positioning booster, to backless belt positioning booster. Simply Safe adjusts harness system, adjusts the height of your harness and headrest to 10 positions in one motion to ensure that the child is always properly secured. An active pet bench dog cover seat for the back seat is waterproof and is a good option to put between the seat and the baby car seat to prevent any leaks from getting into the fabric. Vehicles since model year 2003 must have the lower anchors in at least 2 seating positions and tether anchors in at least 3 positions. This means that in most vehicles, the side seats have lower anchors and tether anchors, while the center seat has a tether anchor but no lower anchors. In-right latch is Graco's 1-second push-in latch connector for easy installation. The latch system was developed to make it easier to install child safety seats without the use of seat belts. Front of child restraint must not hang over edge of vehicle seat. When going to forward facing, make sure to adjust and set the tether anchor in the rear of the seat. You'll find the anchor position behind the car and simply click in the tether and then tighten the line. Twist and pull child restraint forward and both sides to make sure the vehicle belt does not lengthen or loosen and the child restraint does not easily move. Click the in-right latch facing upward. Then click the other side and tighten and adjust until the seat is completely tight against the back seat. Double check the headrest position. The Hyundai Tucson has enough space to fit myself between the car seat and the front seat, where if I needed to get into the middle of 2 car seats, I could do that. While pulling the shoulder portion of the lap shoulder belt, lay the shoulder belt inside the open lock-off and snap the lock-off over the shoulder belt. 2 lock-offs are provided to allow for the seat to be installed on the right or left side of the vehicle. Only use 1 lock at a time. Never try to use both locks when installing the child restraint. Thank you for joining us. Come back for the next video.